Usually when dealing with logarithms, we operate with a base of 10 because that ties in with our number system, which is based on powers of 10, or we have base e, which connects with natural logarithms. In this video, we're going to examine what happens if we have a base that's neither 10 or e, and what we can do to modify the base so it's easier for us to work with. It's suggested that while you're watching the video, you have a piece of paper handy so you can check the steps, but also be prepared to pause and do your own calculations to make sure you understand the process. In this case, we wish to change the log, which has got a base 4 at present, to a form that's easier for us to use. So we'll start by calling this log equal to x, and we'll rearrange it so it's in exponential form. Of course, what happens there is our base in the log is 4, so our new expression becomes 4 to the power x, and we can see that if we continue this loop around, we get 4 to the power x is equal to 15. The next thing we'll do, we'll take a log of both sides. Now at this point, we can choose this log to be of whatever base we wish. So we'll take it to be base 10. So we've got log of 4 to the x is equal to log of 15. Now we've seen from a previous log law that the power of x inside the log on the left hand side can be taken out the front. So we've got a product of x and log 4 is equal to log 15. Now log 4 is just a number, so if we wish to isolate x, what we can do is divide both sides by log 4. So we've got x is equal to log 15 divided by log 4, and both of these logs have base 10, or whichever base we wish to choose. So we can now see, compared to our original expression where we had log base 4 of 15, we now have two logs, a log base of our choosing, in this case 10, but the original base of 4 is now at the denominator of a fraction, and 15, which was the original term inside the log, is now on the numerator of the fraction. So to summarize that, if we have a logarithm, base a of b, we can rewrite that as a fraction of logs with a new base of our choosing, and the b has gone to the numerator, and the a has gone to the denominator of our new log expression. This is called a change of base and is very useful if we wish to implement a base of 10 or e into our calculation so we can manipulate it with other logs that may be involved in that expression.